The engine air filter in your 2015-2019 Chevy Silverado plays a crucial role in protecting the engine from harmful contaminants. Located in a plastic box under the hood, typically near the radiator or fender, this filter traps dust, dirt, pollen, and other debris before they can enter the engine. A clean air filter ensures optimal engine performance. It can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10% and helps maintain the vehicle's horsepower by allowing proper airflow to the engine. Chevy recommends replacing the air filter every 45,000 to 60,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Regular maintenance helps prevent engine wear and keeps your Silverado running efficiently. First, locate the air filter box under the hood near the radiator or fender. Use a screwdriver or pliers to release the clamps or screws holding the air filter box. Carefully remove the old filter, noting its orientation for reinstallation. Clean the inside of the air filter box with compressed air to remove any debris. Insert the new filter, ensuring a snug fit and correct orientation. Close the air filter box and secure it with clamps or screws. Start the engine and check for any unusual sounds or the check engine light. Important tips: ensure the engine is off and cool. You'll need a screwdriver, pliers, and the new filter. Consider eco-friendly options. Skipping cleaning can cause issues. Improper installation voids warranties. Save money by doing it yourself.